Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. Welcome back for all of my returning subscribers, and welcome if you are new. I have a really fun Easter DIY for you today. This is my third Easter DIY, so check out the other two. They'll be linked at the end of this video, along with some really fun St. Patty's ones as well. So this DIY is going to be a combination of Dollar Tree and Dollarama here in Canada. So let's get started. This is going to be specific to floral decor, and I'm going to be featuring these two really beautiful vases. Both of these vases were picked up from the Dollar Tree. So one is a glass and this plastic one here. So both are from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using these Easter eggs. Now I picked these up from Dollarama because Dollar Tree did not have theirs out at the time that I wanted them. These are glitter egg garlands. I have since been to the Dollar Tree, and they do have a very similar egg as well. So you can get these at Dollar Tree. Same with these here. I picked these up at Dollarama, but Dollar Tree does currently have them out now. So these are the plastic ones. These are the ones that you can open up and put candy in. Or really, you can use whatever Easter eggs you want. These are just the two that I'm going to be working with. These ones here also had a nether color where it was more dark and rich in color. All right, now for floral, this is the floral I'm going to be working with. So starting off with these really beautiful Easter eggs. Now these are from Dollarama, and they were $1.25. So my Dollar Tree in Canada, like where I am in Canada, everything's $1.25. So it's the same value if I had gotten them at Dollar Tree. Super, super pretty. And I did pick up two of these. So I'm going to be using those. Now these, I don't know what they're called. Here's the name of them. These are from Dollar Tree. Super pretty and really long, as you can see. What a beautiful spring color. So I did pick up two of those. And then lastly, I picked up this as well. These beautiful purple. I'm not saying the name because I really just don't know how to pronounce that. Wisteria, I think is what it's called. But beautiful purple. I just thought these would be absolutely gorgeous as well. And that's really it, guys. This is just a really simple floral DIY that could be used either for spring or Easter. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be pretty quick. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, so there you have it. Really super simple DIY. It's super cute, and you can always change these eggs out for other items as well. I did see on Pinterest people doing it with the actual chocolate eggs. I didn't do that because it's quite expensive. So you can do either the foiled covered chocolates or you can do the actual chocolate little eggs. I don't remember what they're called, but they're quite expensive. Like Walmart sells a big bag for $17, so I didn't do that. But that's another option as well. I thought this one really turned out quite cute, and I'm very happy with the overall, and I think it's going to look so beautiful as a decor item. And I just love these little Easter eggs in here as well. So this is going to be a floral type decor for Easter. If you're looking to make it more just spring, very doable, but just by swapping out the Easter items with spring items. Okay, so I would say about 95% of this is going to be Dollar Tree. There are a few things from Dollar Store, but very, very minimal. So the feature of this DIY is going to be this really fun tin can that I did get from the Dollar Tree, and this was in their spring section, so this was just recently taken out. Of course, some floral foam, which is year-round, in their spring section, so I'm going to be using this floral foam from the Dollar Tree. And of course, some really beautiful floral options. So all of these are from the Dollar Tree. This is leftover from one of my other Easter DIYs that I did. So cherry blossoms I'm going to use. I also have one strand of this really beautiful wildflower in yellow. So a lot of really fun Easter spring type colors. I have a bunch of these baby breaths. So I got, I think, 5 of those. Alright, sorry guys, that's just my daughter playing in the background, so sorry for the noise. So like I was saying, these beautiful berries are all season, absolutely beautiful. So I picked up these purple, perfect for spring or for, of course, Easter. And these were recently put out as well at the Dollar Tree. So these are egg picks. How adorable are these? They did have much larger ones as well, so if you wanted to go bigger. And sorry, I'm not sure if I showed you the moss already. This is leftover floral moss from one of my previous DIYs. I might use this as well. And this too is from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, everything is from the Dollar Tree. I do have these really adorable eggs that I actually got from the Dollar Store that I might use. I'm not sure yet. They're just cute little decorative eggs. And yeah, I may not use them, but you can of course get these from the Dollar Tree as well. I grabbed these because I got them I think back in January, and my Dollar Tree did not put their Easter items out yet. So I had picked those up. And I may or may not use this leftover bow. It was from one of my previous DIYs that you might have seen. I got this from the Dollar Store as well. I may not use it. I'm really not too sure. But those are all the items that I am working with today. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. there we have it for this DIY. So I have decided not to go ahead and use these larger eggs. I'm going to use them for another DIY, and I'm also not going to use the little bow that I showed you earlier, which alternatively it is an option. I think it would look very, very cute right there, but I'm not going to do that. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I think it looks beautiful the way that it is for spring and Easter. And I'm even going to use this for spring. When Easter is done, I'll just pop these little eggs out, and then I can continue to use this as a floral option. I also really love how the green moss looks. I think it's a really great way to hide the floral foam. And then again, all of the leaves that are on these baby breaths also hid the floral foam as well. But I just love the look that the moss gives it. I don't usually use floral moss, but I absolutely love how this one turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed these floral DIYs and that you're inspired to go and make some of your own spring or Easter DIYs, guys. I really enjoyed doing this, and again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and stay tuned for some more DIYs, and don't forget to check out the other ones. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye!